Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, then don't forget to check all the previously made videos which will be listed in the description box. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So this is what I have achieved and I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. So it's just a simple look to get a flawless makeup and get all dolled up. We're gonna start with normal primer for prepping up skin. So I'm using Lakme Absolute Primer. You can use any of the primers. And then it's time for the foundation. So I like to add a moisturizer with the foundation. So I'm using Body Shop foundation with Cetaphil moisturizer. Little bit. First I like to apply it all over my face with my fingers, then brush, and lastly I try to blend it with a blender. As much as you blend it, that much flawless it's gonna look. And then it's time for concealer. I just like to put an inverted triangles under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and on chin. And I love to contour. The contouring is the best thing which can show all the features of your face. So I love to contour my nose especially a lot, and I don't contour rest of the things. I just leave it. And then apply some loose powder on all over your face, actually only wherever you have concealed, but I like to apply it all over my face. And then it's time for eyebrows. So I like to take the eyebrow powder with my small brush and I like to fill my eyebrows, not to line too much. I don't like them if they're looking so fake. And then it's time for eyes. So I'm just taking a Makeup Revolution palette and first I'm gonna like put a black shadow on my crease, and I was planning to go with cut crease. Then I realized I don't want to go cut crease but a little bit something. So after black one I applied concealer, and then I'm going with the gold eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just patting it on my eye. I'm not like literally applying it. And then I'm just taking the silver shade, especially on like in the middle of my eye, just to give that look that it's like to give that it's kind of a like eye contouring, not eye contouring but eye highlighting. And then I love to do white kohl on my eyes, and I also smudge it with my fingers. And then it's time for eyeliner. So I love my eyeliners. Whatever I do, eyeliners like bring out my eye. And then normal kajal, I just don't miss my kajal. Whatever I do, whatever I wear, it's kajal I never miss. And the best part of my makeup routine, is like blush and highlighter. So here I'm applying blush. I don't like to apply a lot of blush, but highlighter is like just put it on. I just love to put highlighter. It's like amazing. So I just put lots and lots of highlighter on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, and chin. And yeah, now it was time for my lips. So I just applied lip balm, and from Huda Beauty I was applying a brown shade first. So I was mixing two shades here. So first I applied a dark brown and a very peachish pink tone, so that together it became this amazing beautiful shade which I love. And the last part is to put lots and lots of mascara, and I'm done.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. If you like this look and if you like this video, then please hit a thumbs up, and if you want to see anything else, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Bye bye.